Hello, welcome to the channel, welcome to this video. So in this video we are going to be talking about how you can be able to get cheap foreign hosting here in Nigeria. So if you're in Nigeria and you're looking for where to get cheap hosting for your domain and then for your website, then definitely you are at the right place. So in this video I will going to be showing you how you can get cheap hosting platforms. So first of all, we go to this one called Zillion King Host. Then there's another one called Global Hosting 247. So we have a lot of hosting platform where you can get cheap hosting, unlike the foreign hosting that you could know. So all I'm going to be doing in this video is just to show you how you can be able to get it as low as maybe something like 15,000, 18,000 per se. So once I come to this platform, you see this one I'm using now is Global Hosting 247. I'm not an affiliate to them. I'm not trying to promote them for any reason, but in case, can still try them and see whether they are good for you. So they say what hosting package 720 naira per month. So this one is cloud hosting, this one is VPS. So I'm going to go for the normal one, which is the hosting package. So once I click on the hosting package, they will just load and bring me to this interface. Once I come to this interface, I can select whether I want for 6 months for 7,950 naira. I want for the 1 year. Let me scroll up so that you can see for the 1 year. 1 year is 12,750. So I'm going for the 1 year. Then see what I'm going to get. 1 gig space, 15 gig, no add-ons domain, free SSL certificate, free website builder, available unlimited FTP accounts, unlimited MySQL database, then unlimited email accounts. So I think this one is okay for me to start with. So all I need to do now, click on order now. I will click on order now for this one. So as I've clicked on order now, all I need to do now is to put the domain name. Let me say now ODC. Okay, let me say online training academy now, because I know if I didn't do this thing like this, it might have been taken. So let's go for .com. You know, the domain extension matters also, because if I'm going to use a different domain extension, it might definitely tell me it has been used. So you see now we are going to be spending 22,050 naira in order for us to be able to get the domain name of this particular, to get the domain name. .com extension, remember, it's .com extension. See other extension that we have here. We have .org. .org is 19,500. .mobile is 10,950. .com.ng is 650, sorry. So this is the amount for the other domain extension, but the domain extension, which is .com, is 22,050 naira. So all we need to do now is just scroll down and say continue. So I will click on continue. So as I click on continue, it will load and then bring me to here. I will say, then it tell me annual, that is the annual I selected. Then let me go with this continue. So let's scroll down and see, okay, I don't need this ID protection. I'm protected, so no need of that for now. Okay, so the total I'm going to be spending in this website is 34,800 naira because I selected .com. Let's assume I didn't select .com. It would have been a different ballgame. Maybe I will be spending less than that. And remember, it's for 1 year. So in a situation where you can be able to charge a client up to 300,000 naira and you'll be able to spend 34,800 naira just for you to host the website for them. So there are big profit in this. So this is the way you can be able to get your hosting from this hosting provider. Just click on checkout. As I click on checkout, and you can see now I can be able to check out here. So see it now. See, I will enter my details. Then come down to here now, and either I select Flutterwave, or I select bank transfer, or I select PayPal, or I select Paystack. These two now you can use your ATM to pay with these two, this Paystack and Flutterwave. Then this direct bank transfer you can pay through the account that we provide for you. Then you come here and click on I understand, then complete order. You see yourself making your payment, and the most important thing here is the email. There's a place where you put your email. See the place, billing details. You see this place that we say email. So here is very, very important to ensure that you put the email that they can be able to send you email to, so that you not end up losing the information they will send to you, because every information regarding to your cPanel, regarding to your hosting plan, will be sent to you through your email. So ensure that you have the email that you're going to be using for this is the email that you can be able to access. So that's all for this video on how you can be able to get a cheap hosting plan for your website or for your web project. So that is all for now. So we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Remember, like, subscribe and share.